hook up a bridge rectifier to it.
Sponsored by Whole Earth Sweetener. Sponsored by WD-40.
Not yet.
Yeah!
Okay, we got it. I think this is a fairly standard shaft size.
Okay, so we've got everything wire brushed down, got all the rust knocked off, and now we're just gonna put a coat of spray paint on to stop the rust and give it a new finish. On the internet, I found a couple of solutions where they basically take this motor controller and then hook up a bridge rectifier to it, and then basically through the power, you just power it up, you can control this.
So is
Now,
that one of the ones on Amazon that I was looking at? You just found one that had the right power requirements?
Right, and now the one thing I did do was I desoldered and then soldered in a new potentiometer. And now you can just start to turn it and you can really dial in the speed to it. And so I got a tachometer. Let's see if I put this little reflector that they included with it. I could read the instructions.
You could read the instructions? No! Don't talk crazy, Mike. This is for old men.
So that's 1,700 RPMs. That's 2,800 RPMs. That's 4,400 RPMs.
The maximum rated RPM on this motor is
3,100.
Yeah.
So you're making it go faster than spec?
Yeah.
Which
That's
is
why
why
I
it
was-
sounds like it does.
So I was backing off.
I need to figure out where I want to mount it, build a box for that, build a box for this, and then fully assemble this.
Get this off and put something else on.
Well, do we need to take it off, or can we just use one of these grooves for the belt drive?
What's the wrong belt here?
You have that, unless you threw it away.
Well, it's on
This.
this.
Now to get that on here. Now if we had a lathe, we could lathe this thing down.
Wasn't that one of the things they say about a lathe? It's the only tool that can make itself.
Does that work?
Yeah. And this looks like it's not part of this, so I think we just turn this off.
Sponsored by Whole Earth Sweetener.
Not yet.
Every week we've done a fake sponsorship so far.
Because you're the one that got it.
And then Mike says not yet when we say it.
You want to flip that around.
Old man power. I'm pretty sure you're tightening it.
Okay. Well, then let's try the other one.
The way Mike had it the first time?
Yeah.
There you go.
Loosening mica, not me. The wrong size.
Stay loose, Mike. I don't know that that's actually threaded on. I think we need to try our
You should just tap it.
mallet skills again and see if this just taps off
Well, why did it have a big nut on it?
to do what we just did.
Yeah.
Because it does need to be closed like that, but I think once you pull these set screws, this just taps off. We could take 5 minutes and go read the manual.
Do you have a manual on this?
Mike downloaded the manual.
We can go inside and read the manual. What manual I have anyway.
Just see if there's like a, here's how you replace the rear belt.
Wait, I put the set screws back in.
Oh, that'll do it.
I didn't want to lose them.
That's that
I mean,
old, what's the Jamie Heineman on Mythbusters? There's your problem.
Oh, Mythbusters.
No, it's
I know.
Yeah.
Grant.
Yeah.
This episode is dedicated to Grant Imahara. But what I think we should do first is, with the set screws loose, try to get it spinning better. So get some oil in here, because that's what we're fighting right now, is the tension. It's probably corroded onto the shaft. Because it wasn't spinning very well.
Yeah, we were having to give it a lot of torque, so
Right,
yeah,
so we
there
want to
go.
get it to where it spins well on the shaft, and then we can try.
Sponsored by WD-40.
Not yet.
That is fun.
I'd be really curious to see if there's any threads in that at all.
No. There are not, Craig.
Cool.
Good job, guys.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
We got it. I feel disappointed though that we had to actually go to the manual.
We had the RTFM.
Oh.
You know, we didn't actually read anything. We just looked at the closed
We looked at the pictures.
We looked at the pictures. We didn't actually read anything.
We weren't using it for the words. We were using it for the pictures.
I read it for the pictures.
I think this is a fairly standard shaft size. I think you'd probably be able to find that. And just put a pulley on, like a D pulley, a single one,
Yep.
and a set screw to set it.
Safety glasses.